Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how do we learn about the new features of Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing we have to do is not open the Google Chat application, but we need to go into the App Store. And in this App Store, if you are in the home section, you just need to go into the search sections. And in the search section, you just need to type a Google Chat on the search button, and after that go click search. Whenever you find a Google Chat, you just need to click it, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found a version history. And now there will be a pop-up the update of the version on the Google Chat. You can find that the latest versions said here that Google Chat is part of Google Workspace. Is now available for anyone with Google Mail address for free, and you can read all of the information. And one of them called that get things done and create content easily with Google Docs, Sheets, Slide, and keep everyone up to date with the shared files and tasks. So you can create the tasks, you can also share the files through Google Chat. And now whenever you already read it, you just need to go click open this application and find out is that true. And now here I already have my Google Chat open. I have a chat and I have a space too. So the task will be only available on a space. So whenever you have a math class space here, you just need to go find a task section. When there is no task, you can just start a new task by click this one, and you can just create a task, math exam. Okay, you can do a schedule task by click test, and you can just set the timer. For example, I will let to set for 12 and set the time. You can also set the time this, and after that click done when you already satisfied. And then after that you can add the details. When you're done, just need to click save. So you already have the task now. And files, there is no file sent yet. And how to send files here, you just need to click this. So on the App Store previously they say that that Google Chat can send any files and chat, so you will be accessed into your drive to access your documents or files that you want to share into the space. But if you don't want to send the documents or files from the Google Chat up from the Google Drive, you just need to go click this pause button and choose which files that you want to send into this space. So I think that's the way how to learn more about the new features, and see you on the next video.